Dear students, greetings for the day. Today we will study about ground handling. Operational analysis. Layout of operations. Ground handling is a multitask procedure. Since managers want to save some money for the airlines they work for, they endeavor to perform simultaneously as many operations as they can. Legend 1. Taxiway 2, Aircraft Stand 3, Aircraft Stand Marking 4, Aircraft Stand Clearance Line 5, Aircraft Clearance Line 6, Movement Area Jetway 7, Fuel Hydrant Pit 8, Parking Space Ground Handling Equipment with Height Restriction 9, Parking Space Ground Handling Equipment 10, Access, Exit 11, Jetway. Legend 1. Taxiway 2, Aircraft Stand 3, Aircraft Stand Marking 4, Aircraft Stand Clearance Line 5, Aircraft Clearance Line 6, Movement Area Jetway 7, Fuel Hydrant Pit 8, Parking Space Ground Handling Equipment with Height Restriction 9, Parking Space Ground Handling Equipment 10, Access, Exit 11, Jetway. Dollies are used for the transportation of loose baggages, oversized baggages, mail bags, loose cargo carton boxes, etc. between the aircraft and the terminal or sorting facility. Chocks are used to prevent an aircraft from moving while parked at the gate or in a hangar. Chocks are placed in the front and back of the wheels of landing gear. They are made out of hardwood or hard rubber. Aircraft tripod jack. They are used to support a parked aircraft to prevent their tail from drooping or even falling to the ground. When the passengers in the front get off an aircraft, the aircraft becomes tail heavy and the tail will droop. Using the jack is optional and not every aircraft need it. Refuelers. Aircraft refuelers can be either a self-contained fuel truck or a hydrant truck or cart. Fuel trucks are self-contained, typically containing up to 10,000 US gallons of fuel and have their own pumps, filters, hoses, and other equipment. Ground power units. A ground power unit, GPU, is a vehicle capable of supplying power to aircraft parked on the ground. Ground power units may also be built into the jetway, making it even easier to supply electrical power to aircraft. Buses are used to move people from the terminal to either an aircraft or another terminal. Container loader. Container loaders, also known as cargo loaders or K-loaders, are used for the loading and unloading of containers and pallets into and out of aircraft. Container loader. Container loaders, also known as cargo loaders or K-loaders, are used for the loading and unloading of containers and pallets into and out of aircraft. Potable water trucks. Potable water trucks are special vehicles that provide reliability and consistency in the delivery of quality water to an aircraft. The water is filtered and protected from the elements while being stored on the vehicle. A pump in the vehicle assists in moving the water from the truck to the aircraft. Catering vehicle. Catering includes the unloading of unused food and drink from the aircraft, and the loading of fresh food and drinks for passengers and crew. The meals are typically delivered in standardized carts. Meals are prepared mostly on the ground in order to minimize the amount of preparation, apart from chilling or reheating, required in the air. Air Start Unit, ASU. An air start unit is a vehicle with a built-in gas turbine engine which gives the necessary quantity of high-pressure air to start the engine. Belt loaders. Belt loaders are vehicles with conveyor belts for unloading and loading of baggage and cargo onto aircraft. A belt loader is positioned at the door sill of an aircraft hold baggage compartment during operation. The anti-icing vehicles. The procedure of the anti-icing, protection from fluids freezing up on aircraft, is done from special vehicles. A hose sprays a special mixture that melts current ice on the aircraft and also prevents some ice from building up while waiting on the ground.